When I first found out I was pregnant, oh gosh, it was just the most incredible feeling in the world. And immediately I was just like, okay, what am I doing? What can I change? I need to already, start making things for the better for this child. Everything tells you, you can't eat this, you shouldn't eat that. New studies suggest that you shouldn't eat that. And there's not enough places that say, okay, well, what should you be doing?
I love going on Prenatal Possibilities. We did it with my daughter when she was pregnant.
Not only were they interesting recipes, but they were delicious and innovative and easy to make.
I'm empowered by any shortcuts in life I can find, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle at the same time. That's a win-win situation.
These are such different recipes on Prenatal Possibilities that you can literally never get sick of it.
Not only are they tasteful, they're easy to prepare. The roasts and the stews freeze well, they last in the refrigerator. You can take it out portion by portion and have multiple leftovers, which I live for.
Now when I have girlfriends and other friends that are pregnant, I just point them right to Prenatal Possibilities.